We're down at one of our fifth wheels here. It's been rented out as a self-build, which is a perfect accommodation for self-build. Right, so this is just to give some potential customers an idea on how they're connected up. So gas-wise, we go for the 47 kilo bottle, which is on there, all hooked up out of the way, 47 kilos. Right, regards water, simply the water comes in on this white pipe here, alkathene, hose pipe, anything like that. And that goes into this connection here, city water. And then the mains, sewage, water, wastewater, grey water, shower water. Get my thumb out of the way of the video. We'll go down this brown pipe. So that simply connects on a flexible from the van. We leave these two handles open, so as if you was on the mains sewage. And then they put a brown pipe in. Hello, we've got Monty the dog here examining everything. Hello. Hello. And then they simply run it down and put it straight into a manhole over there. So you're pretty much on mains water, mains electric and mains sewage. That's why these fifth wheels are so handy for self-build accommodation, temporary accommodation, whatever you need. You want a plug and play flat, give us a call at CCRV. Thanks for watching. Fifth wheels perfect for self-build accommodation. This is what we supply.